Don't watch these video lessons if you want to learn any language. Why? I will explain you in this video. Good afternoon. Здравствуйте. I'm teacher Sophie, and today I will tell you how can you learn a language by using effective video lessons. Are you ready? Let's get the matryoshka swinging. Почнем. Natural Russian and Belarusian. Tip number 1. Watch video lessons with practical and interactive part. Why? There are plenty of videos of any language you want to learn. These videos only create the illusion that you have learned something. In reality, you just listen to them and the information blows away. You haven't lived the material, you haven't applied it. What do I mean? Before I'll start giving the examples, I want to say that I don't judge any of the teachers. All of them did a huge job on giving you the material and energy and helped you in some way to improve your language skills. But the point is in the percentage of effectiveness each video gives you, okay? So, first example. Videos or podcasts with new vocabulary and examples. Okay, you just listen and leave it. Then, if you don't immediately apply the information given in the podcast or a video lesson, it will blow away in 2 days or hours. What are the chances that you are writing down the words and examples in your notebook while listening or watching? We are very busy nowadays, and usually we are listening to some video lessons if they are free, when cleaning the room, taking a shower, cooking, or driving the car. We don't usually have the opportunity to write or practice these words or expressions in our notebook, right? Thus, if you don't want to waste your time, cross out such types of videos from your studying plan. Except in cases when you have an intermediate language level and you're just listening to the speech just to make sure that you still remember the language. Instead, watch the videos when the teacher says the word or a phrase and you need to repeat it several times. Using any memorizing technique, write with the teacher in a real live video. Here's the example. Колодец. 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 Цепь. 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 Ведро. 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 Why? This method will help you to keep the learned information in your brain and will prolong its memorization several times. Then, if you want to rest it with you, I will tell you some special memorizing techniques which I use on our studying lessons. Number 2. Don't watch the videos with no live tasks for you, just bare grammar and lectures. You will not memorize anything, vice versa. This will make you feel disgusted or demotivated with the learning process. Your brain will think, oh, it's too hard. All of these rules, I will never remember any of them. It's not you, it's the wrong method. I will give you more whys. Imagine that you are a 3-year-old child and your parent, instead of showing you the toy car and repeated 100 times that this is a car, not broccoli or a rabbit, instead he starts telling you about the engine work and showing all of these details, trying to teach you all of these words at a time. You, as a child, will either start crying because you don't understand or remembered anything, or just will nod your head positively and forget everything at this very moment. The same goes with a foreign language. Instead of learning tons of bare grammar and words, take 3 or 4 words or expressions and repeat it 100 times. Put the word in a simple sentence. Add a beat or a melody and repeat it as a song. Your brain will memorize it much faster in a relaxed and joyful way, I promise you. In that way, you can learn the whole language, its grammar, tenses, moving step by step. Want to know how it works? Join our Natural Russian Studying course and learn a language by our special memorizing technique, which you can apply in other languages or subjects. Tip number 3. Try to watch video lessons with self-check quizzes where you can instantly check your freshly learned material. For example, колодец, цепь, ведро. Why? This will show you how well you memorize the given material, and if will not well enough, now you can watch it again and again till the moment you get it. Tip number 4. If you want to learn a grammar, learn the ready-made sentences. It will be too much for your brain to handle bare grammar, conjugations, and word endings without ready examples. So, if you want to learn the past or present time, take 3-5 sentences in present or past, try to put them in some rhyme, add melody, and just sing them, like this. Иду в ресторан, одетым в жакет, закажу макароны, а затем на балет. You can see more examples and some grammar points in my video lessons. Tip number 5. Sing the freshly learned material to your friend. Teach it to him or her. You can't teach anything if you don't understand it. Moreover, you both will have fun. You will help your friend learner to memorize new information in a natural and joyful way. Moreover, some guide lessons like this will be also useful for you, but only if you apply this information into your studying journey. We will do all of these points on our Natural Russian Studying course together in a great team. Click the link in the description and find the whole information on our website. If you invite your friend on our Natural Russian Studying course, you will get a 30% discount. Choose the appropriate tariff and I personally will watch your results and help you on our language journey. You will find the link in the description. I hope that this video was useful for you and will help you on your language journey. I wish you good luck. Удачи! До свидания! До зустрічі! See you!